Today, I am reviewing the Beelink EQi13 Pro mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Intel Core i5-13500H is the backbone of that experience, and in real-world usage it proves to be an excellent fit for this form factor. The hybrid design with performance cores and efficiency cores works exactly the way it should. Light tasks remain snappy and responsive, while heavier workloads scale smoothly across multiple threads. Day-to-day activities like office work, coding, browsing with dozens of tabs, and running background applications never feel constrained. More demanding tasks such as compiling projects, working with databases, or running virtual machines remain stable and predictable rather than erratic. What stands out is not just speed, but how calm the system feels under load. It does not stutter, hesitate, or feel like it is constantly hitting thermal or power limits. The 32 GB of dual-channel DDR4 memory plays a big role in that smoothness. In practical use, this amount of RAM removes most of the friction people experience on smaller systems. Applications stay resident in memory, switching between tasks feels instant, and even memory-heavy workflows do not force the system into slowdowns. The fact that Beelink allows expansion well beyond the included memory shows that this machine is designed with longevity in mind, not just out-of-the-box appeal. It feels like a system you can rely on for years, rather than something you will outgrow quickly. Storage performance also contributes to the overall responsiveness. The PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures fast boot times, quick application launches, and smooth file transfers. More importantly, the system stays responsive even when the drive is under sustained use, which matters during backups, large downloads, or project exports. The dual-slot storage support adds flexibility that many mini PCs lack, making it easy to expand capacity without replacing existing drives. That is particularly valuable for users managing large files or planning to repurpose the system later as a server or secondary workstation. One of the more underrated aspects of the EQi13 Pro is its cooling and power design. The built-in power supply eliminates the external power brick that often clutters desks and limits placement options. This makes the setup cleaner and more professional, especially in office environments. The MSC 2.0 cooling system does an impressive job of keeping temperatures under control while maintaining low noise levels. Under light to moderate workloads, the system is barely audible. Even when pushed harder, fan noise ramps up gradually and remains unobtrusive rather than distracting. That quiet consistency makes a real difference during long work sessions, especially in shared or quiet spaces. Networking is another area where the EQi13 Pro quietly excels. The dual gigabit Ethernet ports open up use cases that go beyond a typical home desktop. Whether used for link aggregation, network testing, or a lightweight home lab or firewall setup, the flexibility is there. Wireless performance is equally solid. Wi-Fi 6 delivers fast, stable connections for streaming, downloads, and cloud-based work, while Bluetooth 5.2 handles peripherals reliably without connection drops or latency issues. In daily use, networking simply works, which is exactly what you want from a system meant to be dependable. Display support is straightforward but effective. Dual HDMI outputs allow for a clean 2-monitor setup, which dramatically improves productivity for office work, development, or content management. Running two 4K displays feels smooth and stable, with no flickering or signal issues. Window movement and video playback remain fluid, reinforcing the sense that the system is well-balanced rather than stretched thin. The physical design reinforces that impression. The compact chassis saves desk space and fits easily into almost any setup, whether placed on a desk or tucked away as part of a minimalist workspace. Despite its size, it feels solid and purposeful rather than flimsy. Ports are sensibly arranged, making daily connections easy without awkward cable routing. Everything about the design suggests this is a machine meant to be used regularly, not hidden away or treated as a novelty. After extended use, the Beelink EQi13 Pro leaves a strong impression because it does not try to be something it is not. It does not pretend to be a gaming powerhouse or a flashy enthusiast device. Instead, it focuses on delivering reliable performance, low noise, and practical features that actually matter in everyday computing. It feels like a mature, well-rounded mini PC designed for professionals, home offices, and power users who value consistency over hype.